Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy messy bun hairstyle. I've started with the hair in a side parting and I'm just going to leave a few pieces of hair out either side to frame the face. Now we're just going to divide the hair from ear to ear and brush this back to smooth any flyaways. Then just create a little ponytail by adding a clear elastic band. Now we're just going to make a hole above that elastic band and pop our fingers through. And all we're going to do is take that ponytail and pass it to your fingers and pull it through the hole so you're creating a twist. Add some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then just pinch and pull all over the hair at the top and also along the top and bottom of both of those twists. Divide the remaining hair in half and starting on that right hand side we're just going to create a small ponytail at the nape of the neck, and then just repeat this on the left hand side. Next we're going to add another clear elastic band halfway down each of those ponytails. We're going to create some more twists, so make a hole above that second elastic band, pass the ends through and repeat this on the opposite ponytail. Then add some more texture powder to both those twists and really pinch and pull at the edges to create a bit of messy volume. Take hold of that twist on the right hand side and pop your fingers through the hole. Grab hold of the left hand twist and pull it all the way through the hole. Now taking that twist on the right hand side, we're just going to pin it under that first twist using a couple of bobby pins. Then repeat this on the opposite side. So we should have a couple of tail ends left over. All we're going to do is cross these over one another. Slide a bobby pin on the end of one of those tail ends and just tuck it up and underneath the bun. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.